We've got a 1974 GoldMaster 66 TR here. Very popular model for whites. Whites was very much booming in the 1960s and 1970s. The technology was quite a bit different back then, as you can see from the size of this thing. What's really different about these detectors is the metal mineral control. These old models would separate metal from mineral with your tuner and the way you tuned it. Didn't really have a discriminator, but that was somewhat of a discriminator for its day. Now, in a model like this, you'd hold the coil just about an inch off the ground. We're going to turn it on, and I'm going to turn in the metal direction until I get a slight hum. And that's the threshold. Now, if I lift up, it'll blare. That's setting my height, how close to the ground I have to sweep the loop. But if I keep it sweeping under that height that I tuned at, then you just get a nice solid sound on your coin. The same in the mineral direction. You would hold the loop just off the ground, turn the tuner in the mineral direction till you get a slight hum. And at that point, your iron is going to respond, but your coin is not. Your non-ferrous is not going to respond, but your ferrous will. You also typically had a meter sensitivity controls, and the huge meters were very popular because you could really get a lot of sensitivity out of the meter. It also had a primitive form of SAT, which is the auto tune. The hammer tone paint was very popular. This ran on 2 sets of pinlight batteries, a 9-volt and a 12-volt. That's where you'd stick each individual batteries in this little holder, and it'll tell you on the meter if it's good or not. So a lot of these parts, like this particular handle, were made by people in their garages at home, and they would bring them in by the hundreds and sell them to Ken White. He would farm out some of those early sub-assemblies to just local people that wanted to make some extra money on the side. And that's really all there was to running one of these early GoldMaster 66 TRs.